the color blindness gene which present on X chromosome. Suppose that this is the X chromosome, this is the 2X chromosome, and this is the 1X chromosome and another Y chromosome present in case of male, and this is the female. The color blindness gene which is the recessive gene, this is the recessive gene. The color blindness which is recessive gene, it means that such color blindness gene present on X chromosome and which is recessive gene. Suppose that this is the recessive gene. In case of female, that is the 2X chromosome. If the female contains one defective gene or the color blindness gene, then there is no production of color blindness, because there is the another dominant gene or the normal gene which is dominant to the defective gene. That's why such C plus, suppose that this is the wild gene or the dominant gene or the normal gene. Suppose that this is the normal gene of colorblind, or this is the dominant here, dominant gene which dominating the defective gene or which compensate the defectiveness. That's why there is no color blindness. There is no color blind. But the female which contains one small c or the one defective gene, that's why the female individual which is known as carrier of color blind. Carrier of color blind. But in case of male, there is one X chromosome, one Y chromosome. If the defective gene or the defective color blindness gene small c present on X chromosome of male, then the color blindness character will appear. So here the individual will be color blind. The individual will be color blind. Why? Because there is one X chromosome, one Y chromosome. X chromosome which contains the defective gene or the colorblind gene, this is the recessive gene, but there is no normal gene. There is no normal gene or the dominant gene in Y chromosome to compensate this defective gene. That's why there is the production of color blind. It means that the color blindness character which is more frequent in case of male than the female, because if the female which contains two defective gene, then the individual will be color blind. The individual will be color blind. If the single defective gene present in case of male, the male will be color blind. So this is the recessive gene. If single defective gene present in female, then there is no appearance of the color blind symptoms, because there is the normal gene in another X chromosome of the female which compensate the defective color blindness gene. And such color blind, which actually first discovered by Horner in the color blindness character which present in case of every races of human. So about black race human population from this disease, and white race of human, they have 8% of this disease, and women about 0.05% are suffered from this disease. What is the meaning of color blind? The color blind patient, they are unable to recognize or distinguish red and green color. That's why it may also known as the red-green blindness. So unable to distinguish red from green or green from red. So they are unable to distinguish red and green color. That's why the color blindness disease is also known as the red-green blindness. How it occurs? So for the distinguish of red and green color, we have some gene, and such gene present on X chromosome, and such genes are linked or they are associated for the formation of cone cells of retina. So cone cells of retina, these are responsible for the distinguish of red from green or green from red. This is the color blindness. How such color blindness transfer from one generation to another generation? So let's see here. Suppose that this is the female and this is the male individual. This is the, suppose that this is the parent. Suppose that the male is color blind. Suppose that male is color blind. So what happened? Here the female individual which produce same type of egg having X chromosome and the haploid set of autosome, and the color blind male which produce two different types of sperm. 50% sperm contains X chromosome and another 50% sperm which contains Y chromosome. So these are the gametes. If the fertilization taking place, then what happened here? What happened here? This is the F1 generation. Here this is the female individual and this is the male individual. So all females, they become normal but carrier. Normal but carrier. It means that there is no appearance of symptoms of color blind, but they contains the defective gene, color blind gene. That's why these are known as the normal but carriers. But the male individuals, all the male individuals will be normal. This is the one condition. If the marriage takes place in between, carrier female, suppose that this is the carrier female marry with normal male. So this is the normal male and this is the carrier female. Then what happened? This is the parent. Here the female individual which produce two different types of egg or the same type of egg as your wish. The egg which contains the single X chromosome and the sperm, the two different types of sperms are produced. 50% sperm contains X chromosome, another 50% of sperm which contains Y chromosome. Then what happened? So this is the normal X chromosome, this is the normal X chromosome. So this is the female individual, double X, this is the normal individual. If this egg fertilized with this sperm, which will produce the male individual, and this is the normal. And if the fertilization or the fusion taking place in between two X chromosome and having the defective gene C, so this is the female individual, two X chromosome present here, it means that it will be normal. There is no development of colorblind symptoms, but it is carrier. If the fusion taking place in between two, then the defective gene, this is the defective gene is there, and Y, this is the male individual. So male individual, it has only one X chromosome, means one defective gene present here. There is no another normal gene to compensate this defective gene. That's why male individual will be color blind. So it will be color blind. So what actually happened here, if the marriage taking place in between carrier female with normal male, then what happened? Suppose that these are the four numbers of individuals. Suppose that this is the 25%, this is the 25% of individuals of the offspring. Out of these two male, suppose that this is the 100% male. So out of these two male individuals are the offspring, the 50% son become normal, and 50% son will be color blind. And the 50%, if the two female individuals are present or daughter present here, 2 means 100%, then the 50% daughter will be normal and 50% daughter will be carrier. So these are the two male individuals. Suppose that this is the 100%, so 50% will be normal and 50% will be color blind. And these are the two female individuals. Suppose that this is the 100%, it means that 50% female will be normal and 50% female will be normal but carrier. If the marriage taking place in between carrier mother with the normal father. What happen if the marriage taking place in between individuals, the color blind female with normal male? So here the female which produce egg and the male produce same type of different types of sperm. This is the gamete, this is the parent. What happened here, this is the defective gene here, and what happened here, this is the defective gene here, there is also defective gene here, and there is also defective gene here. This is the F1 generation. What actually happened here, the female which contains one defective gene means it is normal but carrier. Here the male individual having one defective gene and there is no normal gene in Y chromosome. That's why the male individual which will be color blind. The female individual having one defective gene means it will be normal, there is no symptoms, normal but carrier having the defective gene. And the male individual, there is the one defective gene here, so the son become color blind. So there is the two son and the two daughter. So out of two son, all the son here, all the son become color blind. It means 100% son color blind, and all the daughters becomes normal but carrier. So if the marriage taking place in between color blind female with normal male, then what happened? All the sons become color blind and all the daughter becomes normal but color blind. What happened if the cross taking place in between? Another case may be here in between carrier normal but carrier female with color blind male. So Suppose that this is the normal but carrier and this is the color blind. So what happened in case of F1 generation, if the crossing over taking place in between or the marriage taking place in between normal but color blind, carrier color blind and the color blind male, what happened in F1 generation? I request all do this cross yourself. So this is the three different cases and this is another case. So there are the 4 different types of possible event. If the marriage taking place in between normal female with the color blind male, then all the son becomes normal and all the daughter becomes normal but color blind. If in the another case, the second case, if the marriage taking place in between carrier but normal but carrier female with the normal male, then in F1 generation, out of these two son, 50% son become normal and other 50% son become colorblind. And there is the two daughter, the 50% daughter become normal and other 50% daughter become normal but carrier. The third case, in case of another case, this is the third case, if the marriage taking place in between colorblind female with the normal male, then what happened? Out of these two son, all the son become colorblind and these two daughter, there is the two daughters, so all the daughter of the 100% daughter become normal but carrier. And this is the another case, the case 4. What will happen if the marriage taking place in between normal but carrier female with the color blind male? So I request you, please do yourself. So this is the whole about how transmission taking place in case of color blind character